Before you go, let me make sure. Anyone see the problem on Padlet? So initially, let me make sure. Can you see this on Padlet? Not, and then raise your hands. Not, you cannot see this, raise your hands. So all of you can see this, right? So later you can plan to use the tool to have your own answer. Is it okay? All right, so you can try it. You can try it. Let me demonstrate some of the results to let you know, oh, okay, what it looks like. Well, you are allowed to have your own answer so that you will follow. For example, first time I have the answer, second time, third time, and the others. So I have my account 1, account 2. So you are allowed to have your own account. So that's why I ask you to use Google to generate the free account for yourself. And if possible, I will invite you. If necessary, you can show me your account online and so that I can invite you. Right? So someone like you can post your answer here. And later I can play, for example. Oh, okay. I have a video here, so I can play, for example.
Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Now I will check how to...
So something like that, right? So this time I have a new tool because I think we have the limitation on Power article and also limitation on line. So finally I think this one is useful. So I try it for you, right? So later we can try it. All right, so this is a demonstration. And still you need to use your tool or maybe anything to find your answers. Go and check it. So let me make sure. Go for any results? Yeah, a little bit. So ready to post it on Padlet? If yes, you can post your answer. Maybe it's a file. Maybe it's a video. Maybe it's a photo. It doesn't matter. You just post it first. Once ready, then you let me know. And so that I make sure, can you have the results on my screen? And good thing, your answers ready. If yes, yeah, upload your answer to the system, Padlet. Finish? So let me check it. right here. But seems to be you see, I can enlarge it. So later you can pass on this, or maybe I can invite the speaker to the front desk to show your result, right? So stand by there. So we have the result from good fold, and also so how about good three? Presenter, or maybe anyone share the content? Of course, if we have the current procedure, I will ask here to know, oh, okay. Sorry, I forgot your name in English. Ben. So for example, name here, it's Ben. Therefore, if you think, okay, my name here, so I'm the presenter, I will ask here to notice, oh, okay, name here, it's the presenter. So it won't be necessary to say something online. But you want to ensure, okay, I'm the presenter, then you will say online. And next one, good three. The presenter show your result, and so that later you present for yourself. And for the presentation, possibly allow you to have 1 to 2 minutes to have your own presentation. Actually, later if they have the presentation, you can notice, oh, what's the answer from him? Or maybe something else, you need to have your own answer. So go three, ready? So all of you can scan the QR code. And actually for each problem, we will have a different QR code, not the same as poll everywhere. So if we have the activity, you should scan, or otherwise you cannot see the messages on the wall. And I prefer if you have your own tool and then show your name and so that you serve as a presenter. So it's okay. So at this moment, at least we have the 2 presenters, and later possibly for all of you can upload your answer after the presentation. So the initial 2, they are the presenters. All right, and presenter only focus on the specific problem. For all of you, you will have the answer. For example, after classes, can you upload the answer? This time, it's yes, but you also upload your answer to line. Or otherwise, if we cannot see it, then maybe you fail to let me have the answer. So to guarantee you have the answering completely, you have the answer to Padley and also to line group. If next time, oh, okay, everything's okay, then you can skip the procedure to answer online. All right, that's it. So this one, right? And Goofy, how about yours? And maybe Goofy, you can try, and this time I invite Goofy to have the presentation, 1 to 2 minutes. So Goofy, the presenter want to come here to show your result? Okay, good. I speak louder.
maybe if you use normal distribution or z-distribution, then you cannot specify your result. So if today we do not know the sample size of our sample, or maybe just a small sample size, then we should use t-distribution. But when we know that the sample size is larger than 30, then we should use other distribution. So that's it.
Therefore, this is a reference solution by Gufu. Accept by you or not, you can think about this. And actually, why t-distribution? Maybe some reason, or maybe we need to prove it, right? Maybe we need to prove it because it is the exact distribution. So why? Why it is the exact distribution? And currently, maybe for some reason, if for the sample size smaller than we use t-distribution, and larger than we use z-distribution, there's a uniform distribution. But we don't have any proof. So towards the proof, can you have the further proof to show, okay, it's the t-distribution? All right, so this is the result from group 4. And thank you. And group 3, finish it. You have many tools to have a file to write on it, or maybe you can have a camera, take a picture, and then you can send it to this system. I just use a account here to serve as a presenter. So if any presenter, then you need to show your account. So where for you? And for the other ones, actually you can refer to the answer. If you want to refer to the answer, allow you to take a picture. All right, so this is the answer for you to take a picture. Or maybe, yes, right now, you should see, right? You should see on your pattern, am I right? Can you see the answer from group 4? Enzo? Oh, so if so, it won't be necessary to take a picture because you can see it.